begin here on this front. We want to let you know of a couple educational opportunities for ag producers who may be thinking of implementing drones onto their operation. Nebraska Extension hosting the second annual Drones in Ag Workshop, as well as a Part 107 remote pilot exam prep course at the International Wheat Center, which is located in Grant, Nebraska. First up, mark your calendars for December 17th. Nebraska Extension is hosting its second annual Drones in Agriculture Workshop. This event is an opportunity to learn how drones can improve resource management and efficiency on the farm. The workshop will cover important topics such as drone licensing, FAA regulations, and drone mapping software. You'll also learn about the equipment maintenance, flight safety checklists, and hear from Frenchman Valley Co-op about their drone spraying program. The next day, on December 18th, Nebraska Extension is hosting a Part 107 remote pilot exam prep course. This course is designed to help get your remote pilot certification to fly drones commercially. The certification process requires passing a 60-question aviation exam.
One of the things that's kind of interesting is I get a lot of questions from farmers that are like, well, I'm going to fly a drone on my farm, so why do I need a license? You know, I bought the drone myself, I'm flying it myself, and I'm flying it over my own crop. And the FAA actually considers drones aircraft, and they fall under aircraft rules. And the FAA considers farming commercial. And if you're flying a drone taking pictures of a crop, which will be sold, that's considered a commercial operation. So yes, so farmers, they need to have a license, whether they like it or not, to use a drone in their operations. So one of the requirements to get a drone license is to take an aeronautical knowledge exam. And so what this course does is prepare students to successfully pass that exam. And then, of course, once they pass the exam, then they can apply for their remote pilot license or drone license. So yeah, this test is kind of hard. There's a lot of aviation material on it, and so if you have no aviation background, it's going to seem pretty foreign. And so the idea of this course, it's an 8-hour course, and basically I prepare the students to pass that test and focus on the material that might be the toughest for them.
To recap, the Drones in Agriculture Workshop will be held Tuesday, December 17th at the Stumpf International Wheat Center in Grant, Nebraska. The event runs from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Mountain Time. Registration is $75 and includes lunch. For questions, contact Samantha Daniel. And don't forget about the Part 107 exam prep course on Wednesday, December 18th at the same location. This 8-hour course will help you prepare for the commercial drone pilot exam. Registration is $275 and includes study materials and lunch. If you're interested, be sure to register by December 16th. The link to register is on your screen now and will be included along with this story. Find that on the Market Journal homepage.